Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Aggrieved by the decision delivered by learned single judge dismissing writ petition regarding maintainability of the arbitration proceedings. Union of India preferred writ appeal and the division bench dismissed the same. Stop. The main contention advanced by Union of India before the division bench was that the claimants had received compensation amounting to rupees 18,98,000 under the agreement in Form K, and therefore there did not exist any dispute as to the amount of compensation payable for the same to the owners, for which an arbitration was required to be entered into in exercise of the power under section 8 within bracket 1 of the 1952 Act. Stop. This argument was rejected by the division bench, holding that there was no material on record to show that the claimants had communicated their acceptance to the offer made by Union of India. On the contrary, the division bench found that when Form K came to be executed, the amount of rupees 14,80,000 was accepted by the claimants under protest. Stop. The division bench further found that Union of India has never denied receipt of objections from the claimants at the time of receiving compensation. Stop. In the circumstances, the division bench found that there existed disputes between the claimants and Union of India regarding the quantum of compensation, and therefore it was not open to Union of India to challenge the notification issued under section 8 within bracket 1 of the 1952 Act appointing the arbitrator. Stop. The division bench agreed with the view expressed by learned single judge that Form K contained clause 6, which itself stipulated that any dispute or difference in the matter of determination of compensation shall be decided by arbitration. Stop para. It was observed that in the present case, Union of India made an offer of rupees 18,98,000 under the agreement dated 18/7/75 when the premises were under requisition, and by such an agreement no right, title or interest was ever transferred by the claimants to Union of India. Therefore, it was held that the notification under section 8 within bracket 1 of the 1952 Act was valid. Stop. This was the main aspect to be decided by the division bench. Stop. However, when the writ appeal came for decision, the award of the arbitrator had come into existence, and therefore the division bench observed that the question of the validity of the award, whether by consent or otherwise, was not required to be gone into, because the only question before the division bench was whether the notification issued under section 8 within bracket 1 of the 1952 Act was with or without jurisdiction. Stop para. The High Court therefore did not go into the question of the merits of the award. Stop. The High Court declared that the notification under section 8 within bracket 1 of the 1952 Act was valid in law, as there existed a dispute as to compensation between the claimants and Union of India. Stop. Union of India thereafter preferred an application for review before a division bench of the High Court against the judgment delivered by the earlier division bench of the High Court. Stop.